Okay, next is nitrogen cycle. Yang ini panjang sikit lah kalau compare dengan carbon cycle. Okay, so nitrogen cycle is the cycle of nitrogen between abiotic and biotic components. Right, macam yang kita belajar lah, kalau biogeochemical cycle, it will started with abiotic components, reservoir pool, and then return back to the, and then dia akan absorbed by the biotic components ataupun used by biotic components, cycling pool, and return back to the reservoir pool, abiotic components. Okay, nitrogen is essential part of protein, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. So kita akan jumpa nitrogen dalam protein, dalam nucleic acid dan juga dalam chlorophyll. So reservoir pool is the atmosphere, sama macam carbon dioxide. So ada 80% of nitrogen in the form of nitrogen gas. Dekat atmosphere ada sangat banyak nitrogen gas, but unavailable to plants. Dia bukan macam carbon dioxide tau. Kalau macam carbon dioxide, plant can fix carbon dioxide to undergo process photosynthesis. But different with nitrogen gas, plant cannot use nitrogen gas directly. We need to convert it into another form that can be used by plant. Contohnya macam ammonia ke, ataupun amonium ke, yang tu boleh digunakan oleh plant. Alright, so there are 5 major steps in the nitrogen cycle. First is nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification and denitrification. Nitrification dengan denitrification ni benda yang reverse process. Kiranya denitrification ni reverse daripada nitrification. Alright, so first is nitrogen fixation. Alright, so the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen gas. So untuk convertkan nitrogen gas kepada other nitrogenous compounds such as ammonia or nitrate. So kita nak convertkan nitrogen gas kepada ammonia ataupun nitrate ion. So dua benda ni, ammonia dengan nitrate can be used by plant. So there are 3 processes. So first is atmospheric fixation, second is industrial fixation, second is biological fixation. Okay, so first look at the atmospheric fixation. Okay, so started with lightning, kilat, causes nitrogen gas in the atmosphere to be oxidized by oxygen, forming nitrogen dioxide. So kiranya nitrogen gas, dia akan oxidized by oxygen gas, forming nitrogen dioxide. Okay, and then nitrogen dioxide ni nanti it will dissolve in water, rain lah, to form nitrous acid and nitric acid, which react with other compound in soil, forming nitrate ion. Okay, nitrogen dioxide ni it will dissolve in water, forming nitrous acid and nitric acid. So nitrous dengan nitric acid ni dia akan react dengan other compounds in soil. Dia akan tambah compound in soil, nanti dia akan membentuk nitrate ion. Okay, so nitrate can be used by plant. Okay, the second one is industrial fixation. So industrial fixation to form nitrogen fertilizer, jadi baja lah. For example, ammonium nitrate and ammonium phosphate. Okay, involve Haber process. So Haber process is process to produce ammonia from the combination of nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas lah. So nitrogen gas combine dengan H2 forming ammonia. Okay, and then ammonia ni nanti either combine with nitric acid or phosphoric acid. Kalau ammonia combine dengan nitric acid, dia akan membentuk ammonium nitrate. Tapi kalau ammonia combine dengan phosphoric acid, dia akan membentuk ammonium phosphate. So dapatlah fertilizer, right? Jadi baja kepada soil. Okay, yang ketiga kita ada biological fixation. So it's done by nitrogen fixing soil bacteria. So there are 2 types of bacteria. First is symbiotic bacteria. So macam awak tahulah, kalau symbiotic bermaksud both organism akan dapat benefit. So ini adalah relationship antara bakteria dan juga root of legume plant, tumbuhan kekacang lah. Okay, contohnya Rhizobium species. So Rhizobium species, it will convert nitrogen gas into ammonia. So nanti plant ni bolehlah menggunakan ammonia dia untuk menghasilkan protein ke, nukleik asid ke, klorofil ke. So in return, nanti Rhizobium akan dapat nutrien daripada legume plant. So itu kita panggil sebagai symbiotic bacteria. Okay, ada juga yang non-symbiotic bacteria. Contohnya free living soil bacteria. There are two examples. So first is Azotobacter species and second is Clostridium species. Yang ini free living lah. Dia cuma duduk dekat dalam tanah. Okay, sama juga it will convert nitrogen gas into ammonia. Okay, and then most soil are slightly acidic, contain hydrogen ion. Okay, so ammonia it will release into the soil combine with hydrogen ion to form ammonium. So ammonia combine dengan hydrogen ion akan membentuk ammonium, NH4+. Okay, so ammonium also can be used by plant, but most ammonium in soil is used by aerobic bacteria during nitrification. Ini ada next step lah. Dalam nitrogen cycle kita ada nitrification. Okay, so ammonia, ammonium, nitrate ion. So ada 3 sekarang yang boleh digunakan oleh pokok. Alright, so these are example of biological free living bacteria. Ini Azotobacter, ini Clostridium species. Okay, next is nitrification. Nampak tak ayat kat atas tadi ni, dia kata ammonium can be used by plant, but most ammonium in soil is used by aerobic bacteria during nitrification. Okay, so next process is nitrification. Is the conversion of ammonia or ammonium into nitrate ion. Kita tukarkan ammonia ataupun ammonium kepada nitrate ion. So there are two types of nitrifying bacteria, and also there are two steps of nitrification process. Okay, yang pertama, ammonia or ammonium is oxidized to nitrate ion. Contoh ammonia ataupun ammonium, dia akan oxidize oleh siapa? Sama ada Nitrosomonas species ataupun Nitrococcus species. Okay, second step, menjadi nitrate ion. Okay, second step, oxidation of nitrate ion to form nitrate ion by Nitrobacter. Okay, lagi sekali kita akan oxidizekan dia by Nitrobacter species. Menjadi nitrate ion. Okay, by Nitrobacter species. So kalau nitrification ada 2 step. Yang pertama, ammonia or ammonium is oxidized into nitrate ion, by Nitrosomonas species or Nitrococcus species. And second step is nitrate ion is oxidized into nitrate ion, NO3- by Nitrobacter species. So kita akan convertkan ammonia ataupun ammonium kepada nitrate. Okay, so yang ketiga we have assimilation. Assimilation ni macam penggunaan lah. Okay, so absorption of nitrate ion or ammonium by roots of plant. So penggunaan, kan tadi kita cakap pokok dia boleh gunakan nitrogen dalam bentuk nitrate ion ataupun ammonium. So ni absorption of nitrate ion or ammonium by roots of plant. So it will convert nitrogen into complex organic molecules such as protein, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. Kalau awak ingat lagi, kita lukis monomer for protein, amino acid. kan awak buat NCC, ingat tak NCC? So ni ada nitrogen dalam protein ataupun dalam amino acid, yang NCC ni lah. Okay. So animals assimilate nitrogen by eating plants. Yang ni sama macam carbon tadi. So bila animals eat ataupun feed on the plant, so kita akan transferkan nitrogen daripada pokok kepada animal. So it will convert nitrogen into complex organic molecules such as protein and nucleic acid. Chlorophyll tak adalah sebab dalam animals tak ada chlorophyll. Okay, so itu untuk assimilation. Dia kira macam penggunaan. Bila animals makan pokok ataupun bila pokok menggunakan nitrogen untuk hasilkan protein, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. Okay, yang keempat, we have ammonification. Okay, so conversion of complex nitrogen molecules into ammonia or ammonium. That's why namanya ammonification. Penghasilan ammonia ataupun ammonium. Okay, so begins when organism produce nitrogen containing waste. Contohnya urea dalam urine. Okay, bila dia keluarkan urine, dalam urine ada urea. Ataupun dalam ada uric acid in the waste of bird, and also nitrogen compound in the dead organism. Dalam daun yang gugur, dalam bangkai animals, ada nitrogen compound. Okay, and then these substances are decomposed by aerobic and anaerobic bacteria and also fungi. Yang ni saprophytic bacteria and saprophytic fungi sebab decomposer kan. Okay, and then nitrogen it will release into abiotic environment, for example soil as ammonia or ammonium that are available for nitrification and also assimilation. So contoh, kalau ada waste product, kalau ada dead organism, it will decompose by saprophytic bacteria ataupun saprophytic fungi, which are decomposer. So decomposer, it will release the nitrogen element back into the environment in the form of ammonia or ammonium. Sebab dua-dua ni boleh digunakan oleh pokok dan juga boleh digunakan oleh proses nitrification. Yang kita nak convert, so nitrification kita nak convertkan ammonia ataupun ammonium kepada nitrate ion. Okay, so the last one is denitrification. Okay, so kalau nitrification, kita convertkan ammonia ataupun ammonium kepada nitrate ion. So kalau denitrification, kita akan convertkan nitrate ion kepada nitrogen gas. Kita nak convertkan nitrate kepada nitrogen gas. Okay, kalau tadi oxidize, sekarang dia akan reduce, dia terbalik. So it will involve anaerobic soil bacteria, for example is Pseudomonas species, Achromobacter species and also Bacillus species. Alright, so the reduction of nitrate ion to nitrogen gas which is returned to the atmosphere. Nitrate ion as electron acceptor during anaerobic respiration result in the release of nitrogen gas. So kita akan convertkan nitrate ion kepada nitrogen gas by process reduction. Oleh siapa? Oleh 3 jenis bakteria ini. Pseudomonas, Achromobacter dan juga Bacillus species. Okay. Okay, nanti awak isi handout ni untuk nitrogen cycle. Okay, so ini kira macam overview untuk nitrogen cycle. So ada beberapa step. Yang pertama, we have nitrogen fixation, ada 3 jenis, atmospheric fixation, biological fixation and industrial fixation. Seterusnya kita ada proses apa lagi kat sini? Assimilation. Okay, so penggunaan nitrate oleh plant and also oleh animals bila animals makan plant. And then this is decomposition and ammonification lah, production of ammonium daripada waste product ataupun dead organic matter. And also we have nitrification is the conversion of ammonia or ammonium into nitrate. And then kita convert back nitrate kepada nitrogen gas via denitrification. Okay, yang ini pula adalah biological fixation lah, menggunakan the two types of bacteria, sama ada symbiotic bacteria ataupun free living bacteria. Okay, so nanti isi handout ni untuk nitrogen cycle. Okay, itu sahaja untuk nitrogen cycle.